Welcome to Best Primer Maths. Today lesson about estimate or rounding of nearest to the 100. Okay. Here estimate round or rounding of nearest to the 100. So these are given numbers. These are estimate numbers. Okay. So here the question asking estimate nearest to the 100. So 100 place number we should circle it. Only it is easy to find out the estimate easily. Okay, this reason. And in the estimate problems, when we find out estimate problems, some rule is there. Here estimate nearest to the 100, circle 100 place number. It is easy to find the numbers. Okay, 100 place number, and must and should we look 100 place smallest place number, depend upon 100 place smallest place numbers. Okay, underline it, tens place number. Okay, if the small 100 place smallest consider number have 0 1 2 3 4, we shouldn't add one number here. Here we should not add one number. 9 written as it is, and once tens turn into 0. If the consider or given estimate smallest place number have 5 6 7 8 9, we must and should add one number to the estimate number. 7 1 add 8. Next tens place and ones place turn into 0. Okay. Next example 4592. 5 is 100 place number. Consider number tens place. Tens place number is 9. We should add one number. 4 written as it is. 5 1 add 6. Turn ones place tens place turn into 0. Okay. 76,483. 76 written as it is. 4. Consider number or estimate smallest place number is 8. So this reason we should add one number to the estimate number. 4 1 add 5. Once tens turn into 0. Next 56,789. Consider our 100 place smallest place number have 8. 56 written as it is. 7 1 add 8. Once tens turn into 0. Okay, here lakh. 100 place number is 0. Consider place number is 0. We should return as it is. No change. Okay. 9,98,756. 9 written as it is. 9 lakh written as it is. 98 written as it is. Smallest place or consider place number have 5. We should add one number to the estimate number. 7 1 add 8. Once tens turn into 0. Okay, thank you.